Marines taking Division School's Urban Leaders course conducted a 3-day exercise that was designed to test the skills they gained over the past 3 weeks. This cumulative event simulated a deployed environment and included raids, urban combat drills, roadside bomb simulations, and gas drills aboard Marine Corps Base Camp Pendleton, California, April 9th. The course's purpose was to teach small unit leaders the fundamentals of urban combat tactics while building leadership skills in the process.
We're looking for some pretty seasoned guys, whether MU or combat deployment. We're just looking for somebody to come in who can understand the operations order, understand where they fall into the planning process, and then lead a fire team or squad.
Most of the students taking the course are non-commissioned officers and are already leaders in their own units. The point of the training is to make them better leaders and show them how to conduct urban combat tactics so they can pass that knowledge to their junior Marines and peers. Instructors and students alike agreed these skills are important for Marines now more than ever.
As time goes on, more and more people are moving into cities, so as that happens, combat evolves to where you're not really, fighting on hilltops and open fields like you were before. A lot of the fighting is going to be going on in these large population centers.
The students caught on quickly and were able to adapt and overcome the obstacles the instructors threw at them. With the knowledge and skills the students gained from the course, the Marine Corps will have no shortage of excellent leaders. Reporting from Camp Pendleton, California, I'm Corporal Christopher Moore.